What is up, guys? You're both zlowdre here, and welcome back to the channel. Fuck, someone's calling me. Shut the fuck up. Alright, anyways, I'm gonna teach you guys how to shoot flames off any car. I think you could do any car, but you can't have cats. I'll get all that information right now, and right now we're gonna go wash my car, so catch you guys right now. And if you guys haven't subscribed yet, subscribe right now, because I'm gonna be posting crazy ass videos soon. So don't miss that, and yeah, if you guys like the video, fucking like it, alright? Alright, catch you guys right now. Alright guys, I'm at the car, so I'm gonna watch the car real quick. I'm gonna put like a little POV on the GoPro so you guys can see, so yeah, catch you guys right now. Alright guys, and this one's all cleaned up. Now let's go shoot some motherfucking flames. Watch this. I finally watched it. Still running no bumper on it, but you know, this one always looking good. Shit. Woo. Let me show you guys the Tommy. Sheesh. Yeah, so. Alright, let's get to it. Let's go shoot some flames then. Alright, the first thing you have to do to shoot flames, you can't have cats, so take those cats off and put some fucking test fires on it. Let me try to focus this. Put the music. I don't know if you guys know, but it has 1, 2, and 3, so. To shoot flames, you're gonna have to rev it all the way to like 4.5 RPM. Yeah, you're gonna have to rev it to 4 or 5 RPM to shoot like basic ass flames. If you want to shoot like big ass flames, you gotta rev it to like 6 or 7. Alright, for example, I rev it to 4, but right when I let go of the gas, I'm gonna have to put it back to 3 and then back to 4. Like boom, boom. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah. So yeah, again, it has 1, 2, 3, 4. Right now it's at 3. So yeah, right now it's at 3. So I'm gonna have to put it back to 2 and then back to 3, like in a second or half a second. But you gotta rev the car to 4 RPM. Right when you let go of the gas, go back to 2 and then 3. Kind of like this. Watch. Like that. And I'm gonna try to get a view from the key so you guys can see. Alright, so I'm gonna rev it to 4. Woo! Yeah, so that's basically all you do. Shout out to the boy Danny for showing me that. If you guys want to follow him, I'm gonna leave the Instagram down. He has like more car hacks for that, and then you can shoot like popcorn and all that bullshit. So if you guys want to follow him. He's the one who taught me how to do this. So yeah, let me get some outside view so you guys can see the flames. that's basically all you do. But it's pretty sunny right now. I shot like 2 big ass flames, but you can't really tell because it's pretty sunny. So I'm gonna do another one in the night so you guys can see the actual flame. But let me go over the steps again so you guys could get that right. Let me try to focus because this shit, I'm doing it by myself, so this shit sucks. Alright, so I read that those flames that I shot right now, they're like 4 or 5 RPM. Yeah, 5 is like the best ones you get. So you rev it to 5. So rev it to 5. Boom. That's all you do. That's all you do. It's just a lot of timing. So if you guys can get it right, like in the first few moments, just don't give up. Just keep trying, and I'm pretty sure you guys will get some fat ass flames. So yeah, that's how you shoot flames. And then make sure to follow my boy Danny because he has more car hacks like that. So yeah. Yeah, right now I'm just gonna go home and eat, and then I'm gonna go wait for the sunrise to go down, and then yeah, and then catch some flames at night, and that'll be dope. I'm probably gonna do a pool right now so you guys can see that little baby pool and shit. So yeah.